Please log into our website, and you can click here directly to join our annual art competition. This year's theme is Dreaming in Blue, and we welcome all ocean-inspired artworks. You can check more here. After completing your artwork, click here to submit your entry. Your file must meet 2,480 pixels and 300 dpi. Only one submission per participant. Please also fill these: your name, title of art, content of art. Submission deadline is July 7, 11:59 p.m. PST, so make sure to upload on time. From July 8th to 15th, each person can vote for up to 5 different artworks per day. Login required. You cannot use all 5 votes for the same artwork in a single session. Votes cannot be undone, so please choose carefully. You can view your own entry and browse others' works here. Filtering options are available for easier browsing. The top 80 entries by vote count will advance directly to the finals. From July 16th to 17th, an additional 20 entries will be selected by our panel of 10 professional judges from the remaining artworks. From July 18th to 24th, the judges will score the 100 finalists based on official judging criteria. See details here. They will be announced on July 25th. You can check out this year's amazing prizes here. They're even better than last year. Welcome to the contest. Show off your creativity with Vograce and turn your artwork into real products.